Hello, Nicholas. How are you?
Good, thank you.
Getting solar and a battery is a great opportunity to both have the ecological footprint, ultimately make our electricity bills zero. So I'm Nick and I live in Kingston upon Thames in Surrey. So solar's great for generating energy, especially in the sunnier days, in the sunnier months. But the battery can work all year round, whether it's sunny or not. And I can charge at off-peak rates and sell that electricity back to the grid when I need to. So I can effectively have zero electricity bill at the end of the month, which is great for me. Yeah, so I didn't speak to thousands of installers, but I did speak to a few different companies around here and some of the bigger guys as well. The reason that I went with Samso was a local installer, but someone who really had the kind of understanding of the technology and could advise me on what it was that I needed to achieve my goals. It was just really easy to ask my nerdy questions and my basic questions to someone who was willing to talk to me beyond a quote on a spec sheet. Well, it went better than I expected, I would say, because it was done in a day. We've got a flat roof, so it's not straightforward in terms of some other companies didn't like that. But the team really gave me confidence in the morning about what their plan was and what they were going to install. And then at the end of the day, they showed me the kit, looked great, looked well installed, and then ran me through how I could use the app and configure everything and get me going, basically. So yeah, it was a great installation process. The app is easy to use, yes, absolutely. You can do more or less with it depending on your appetite for how you want to configure your system. You could even have AI in the app do things for you. But yeah, it's easy to use if you've just got a basic requirement. Yes, I definitely recommend Samso to my family and friends and have done. You can talk to whoever you need to talk to at Samso to get the information to make you feel comfortable about what you're getting and the process that is going to happen. Having had it done now, I would feel really confident about recommending Samso to others, absolutely. I don't know that I can actually do much about energy inflation. What I am interested in is actually the idea that we can generate our own electricity, that we're responsible for the usage of that electricity. And if we really need the most modern tumble dryer because it's just chaotic with family, you don't feel so bad about getting some of those extra creature comforts because you are generating more than enough electricity through the solar.